Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable Hotspot network on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, enabling a hotspot allows you to share your internet connection with friends, family, or colleagues who need temporary internet access, such as during group outings or collaborative work sessions. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, open Play Settings menu on your device. And then here you can select Connections option. After that, choose Mobile Hotspot and Tethering menu. Next, you can select Mobile Hotspot here, and then turn it on by pressing this button. So for the second way, you can open the Control Center. After that, find the Hotspot tool and then press on it for activating. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable Hotspot network on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.